Silver medal at the last World Championship representing Great Britain, Gabby.
All your marks. Set.
Wagwan family, and once again welcome back to the Yadi Reacts. If it is for the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Whereby today guys we're diving on to sports once again, whereby our video features and highlights the dominant performance of Saint Lucian sprinter Julien Alfred across two major 2026 track events. Here we have the Monaco Diamond League 200 meter on July 10th, 2026. Alfred won the women's 200 meter with a sensational time of 21.51 seconds, and this performance established a new Saint Lucia national record and marks the third fastest time in history for the distance. And to look at the Galilee Memorial 100 meter, just 4 days later on July 14th, 2026, Alfred shifted focus to the 100 meter in Budapest. Despite facing a headwind, she secured victory with a time of 10.87 seconds, defeating a field of elite sprinters including Tina Clayton with a 10.97 seconds and Brianna Liston. And here we dive in on to the video, exactly just digging deeper. What is Julien Alfred's personal best time? Julien Alfred personal best time are as follows. 100 meter, her personal best is 10.72 seconds, which she achieved while winning the gold medal at the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris. And to the 200 meters, her personal best is 21.51 seconds, a time she clocked at the Monaco Diamond League on July 10th, 2026. This performance also serves as a national record of Saint Lucia and is recognized as the third fastest time in history for the 200 meter event, whereby the second one is Sherika Jackson from Jamaica. And just to continue, who finished second in the 200 meter race, and in the Monaco Diamond League 200-meter race, Gabby Thomas finished in second place. She and Julien Alfred were locked together heading into the final straight before Alfred pulled clear to secure the win. And again, how fast was the headwind in Budapest? During the women's 100-meter race at the Galilee Memorial in Budapest on July 14th, the year is 2026. The athletes battled a 0.3 meter per second headwind, and yeah, that definitely brought out some challenges, but they gave out a great performance. What is the world record of 200-meter? Yeah, the world record of the 200-meter sprint are held by women's world record 21.34 seconds, set by Florence Griffith Joyner from USA at the 1988 Seoul Olympics, and the men's world record 19.19 seconds, set by Usain Bolt from Jamaica at the 2009 World Championships in Berlin. And just to continue shifting on to another level, why was Gabby Thomas finishing time, or rather what was Gabby Thomas finishing time? At the 2026 Monaco Diamond League, Gabby Thomas finished the women's 200-meter race with a time of 21.84 seconds. Yeah, these American sprinter did great. How does Alfred compare to other sprinters, if you might be asking, mainly because she is the one to be talked across this video as she gained the victory. Julien Alfred has cemented her status as one of the world's premier sprinters through consistent high-level performances and major championship victories. Her standing is characterized by a blend of raw speed, technical proficiency, and adaptability across both the 100-meter and 200-meter distances. Comparison to top sprinters' competitive standing, Alfred is frequently ranked among the elite alongside global stars like Sha'Carri Richardson and Shericka Jackson. Her rivalry with these athletes has become a hallmark of modern women's sprinting, often deciding podium spots at major Diamond League events and global championships. To the performance metrics, with a personal best of 10.72 seconds in the 100-meter and a national record setting 21.51 in the 200-meter. As of July 2026, she consistently clocks time that place her in the top echelon of all-time list. Head to head, her development has seen her evolve from a standout collegiate athlete into a dominant professional capable of overpowering seasoned feeds, unlike some specialists who focus heavily on one event. Alfred has demonstrated a unique ability to excel in both short sprints, often making established champions look vulnerable in head-to-head races. So that's Julien Alfred for you, and as you can see, she's doing great. And what other medal has she won before? Yeah, just to step on it, Julien Alfred has achieved a significant milestone in her career, securing numerous prestigious medals. For Saint Lucia 2024 Paris Olympics, she made a history by winning the gold medal in the 100-meter and the silver medal in the 200-meter. 2024 World Indoor Championships Glasgow, she claimed the gold medal in the 60-meter sprint, marking her nation's first ever senior global medal in athletics. The 2018 Youth Olympic Games, Buenos Aires, she won a silver medal in the 100-meter, which was Saint Lucia's first ever medal at the Youth Olympic Games. Julien Alfred, she definitely is doing amazing, and I'm amused, by watching her onto the track field and doing these great. Where did Aja Hodge plays in the women's 200-meter race at the Monaco Diamond League? Aja Hodge competed alongside elite sprinters like Julien Alfred and Gabby Thomas. While the video highlights the dominance of Julien Alfred in securing the win, it does not explicitly state the final finishing position of Aja Hodge in the race. standing. Yeah, and if you might be wanting to know once again what was Julien Alfred's winning time in the women's 200-meter race at the 2026 Monaco Diamond League on July 10th, 2026, Julien Alfred secured a victory with a time of 21.51 seconds. This performance set a new Saint Lucian national record and stands as the fastest time in the world of 2026. Yeah, so guys, that leads us to the winding up of the video and to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video to the end, and if you have enjoyed, let's come around, share our thoughts throughout the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day. Thank you very much guys for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I'd want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving. And to me, always remember to link me up through my next video. So all I'd want to say is peace out there.